Come on, buddy, you're on the wrong side. There you go. I got a hot spot over here. I feel them. November 2014, Naturealm, Akron, Ohio. Bird feeding season. Dude, this is a hot spot over here. Come over here. They're all over me. I had the titmice fighting the chickadees, chickadees fighting the titmice. Let's give them a super buffet. Aw, he picked your hand over mine. My God, there's a goonie bird over there. Did you hear?
Yeah.
Here they come. Lock thumbs. Give him a perch. Ha ha. Lift your thumb up. Lock it. There you go. Ha, titmouse. That's Dan 2, Odin 0.
What?
She has had a bird, but we'll. Okay, well, come over here, Caitlin. There's plenty over here.
Yeah.
Nice and slow. Does she have enough seed? Okay, let's give her a chance. So, here they come. Here they come. Here they come. Okay, close your hand. Over here, Caitlin. Come in front of me there. Over here, sweetie. There you go. Remember now, don't flinch. They're not going to hurt you, right? I'm going to get it on videotape here, too. Here he comes. Don't flinch. Well done. Wait, here comes another one. Wait for it. Here comes another one. Now you're going to get a titmouse. Here comes a chickadee. You ready? Here he comes. Stand still.
That scared off a chickadee. Drop one over there.
You're coming back. Well done. Well done. See? You did good, Caitlin. You like flew into my arm. Bonk. Oh, Cameron's got one. You don't need a lot. As long as you can see it in your white hand, they'll go for it. It's gonna land on my face. You see that? Oh, snooze you lose.
It's on your pant.
It's on my pant leg again, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's right there. Yeah, right behind you.
Somebody dropped seeds in my pants. Who sabotaged
There's
me?
water right there.
Uh-huh.
A little puddle he's drinking from.
Oh, I didn't think about bringing him water next time. We should bring him water next time.
Get the hummingbirds.
No butter.
Butter for birds?
No peanut butter.
Oh, yeah. Chickadee, here we go. Chickadee.
Aw, look at himself.
Chickadee dee dee. There's a couple over there in the bush and the grass. Oh, here comes one.
Squirrel slowly making its way. Come on.
Oh, he likes us. Okay, let's let the girls do some more, Cameron.
Hi, Cameron.